I'd say once you get in and make up and keep relationships, I've gotten more jobs just by knowing people than anything else. Yeah, absolutely. Word of mouth is probably the top way that I've been able to get. Is the way I've gotten some of my jobs. Actually, I don't know a lot of people, to be honest. I really stick with myself, and so that's the really cool thing about this. You don't have to know a lot of people for this, for the way that I'm teaching people how to get these jobs. If you follow the techniques I'm telling you, the first thing is to create the resume. The next step is to market the hell out of the resume. You're going to take that resume that has all the keywords in it, and then you're going to upload it to LinkedIn, to Indeed, to Dice, to Career Builder, to Indeed.com, to all top 10, at least 10 sites. And then you're going to fill out the portfolio, the profile of those. That's one aspect of it. That's going to give you a passive flow of people contacting you. And then the next thing you're going to do is start applying for jobs like crazy. Those things that I have an ATS style resume, I upload those to 10 different sites, and then I promote the hell out of it, and then I apply for a bunch of jobs. That way you don't have to know a lot of people. I've gotten a lot of job opportunities from knowing people because I've been doing this so long, but most of the jobs that I've gotten, let me think. Most of the jobs I've gotten has come from this thing that I'm telling you guys how to do right now for free. Right? Download my, if you have my resume, that's one big piece of it right there, because that's telling you how to actually create the resume itself. Okay, let me see. What exactly does one do in cybersecurity? Okay, that's a great question. I'm going to answer that by showing you my next book. Okay, I'm going to give you guys like a guided tour of my book so you guys can see like how broad this is. I'm going to switch the camera here. I apologize for this. I'm doing this on 3 different platforms. Bear with me here, guys. Let me switch this camera here. Boom. There we go. Okay. Maybe this is a better way to do it. I don't know. Than to have it on the. Okay. Here we go. Okay. I think that's. Damn. It's backwards. I don't know how to fix that, guys. I'm sorry. I don't know how to fix it on TikTok. Okay. We have to live with this. All right. So what I'm showing you right here is the second book in my series. If you're interested in getting this, go to Amazon.com, type in cybersecurity jobs, look for my books. I have a 2-book series about this. Okay. And right now, this thing is 99 cents. And the reason why I'm doing this is to promote the hell out of my book, to get some reviews. That's why I do it. And if you give me a review, I will give you access to my next book, or my 4th book, which will be Work from Home.